Hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain the trades that we provided in our VIP group and free group. For those who are new here and want to join us, the link is available in the description so you can check it out. Now let's move on to the video without wasting any time. This was our first trade, which we provided in the free group on AUDJPY for the downside move, and the expiry time was 1:40 p.m. UTC plus 4. Let me explain the logic behind this trade. You can see there was a downtrend, and there was also a moving average acting as resistance. That's why we provided a signal for the downside move, and this trade was an amazing win. Now let's move on to the second trade, which we provided in the VIP group on AUDJPY for the call upside move. The logic behind this trade was that you can see a red candle which was formed as a continuation pattern. From there, we provided a signal, and this was also an amazing win. Now let's move on to the next trade, which we again provided on AUDJPY for the downside move. The logic behind this trade was that there was a moving average and a downtrend as well. That's why we provided another signal for the downside move, and again, this trade was an amazing win. So we won 3 non-martingale trades back-to-back on the same asset. You guys can also learn from our videos on this channel. If you want to join us, the link is available in the description. You can also text us on Telegram at bbinary support. All the links are available in the description, so go and check them out. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment your thoughts about the video. Till then, see you in the next video. Goodbye, guys.